The following video will have step-by-step instructions of how to navigate the RDS web app, as well as administer the youth count survey. To log into the RDS app, you will enter your phone number. After you enter your phone number, you'll receive a verification code via text, and you will enter that here. This is the only password that you will enter to get into the app. Then, once you're in the app, you'll select New Survey. This is where you'll scan the QR code, or you'll select No QR Code for walk-up seeds. Next, you'll be prompted to select what hub site you're at. For the purpose of this video, we're selecting the test site. Next, the survey will load. You'll want to stay in this survey and following the instructions within it until the survey is completed. Make sure to always hit the blue buttons while you're doing the survey to go forward. Survey instructions are color-coded to help you navigate through the survey and best administer the survey. Purple text indicates the section and survey block that you're in. Blue text indicates what you should read out loud to the participant. We ask that you read the text word for word and no paraphrasing. The language has been thoroughly reviewed and vetted by many and is very intentional. For example, it's important that you read this consent language verbatim, as specific language has been added to explain how the data is used in light of political climate. Gray, red, or black text are instructions for you, the surveyor. They should not be read out loud. A note on eligibility. The only way someone is ineligible for a survey and therefore would not receive a gift card is if they refused to provide a date of birth and or refused to provide information on where they slept last night in the last 30 days. Otherwise, everyone will be allowed to take the survey. This includes adults 25 or older, youth who have taken the survey before, youth that are sheltered. For adults that are 25 or older, they'll be given a shortened survey, only be asked network questions and demographics, and then will be sent to the end of the survey. They will not receive coupons. Enter the participant's date of birth, and then on the next page, it will calculate the age. Confirm that this age looks appropriate for this person. As you can see here, this is gray text, so this is something that you would not read out loud to the participant. Next is a question about housing eligibility. First, read the question and then wait for the response. Then select the choice closest to their answer. If asked to clarify, ask, have you spent more than 2 weeks out of the past month in the same place? If so, where was that? You'll see that some of the answers are red. These are the housing and living situations that are HUD definition homeless. The next screen asks if someone has already completed a survey, as well as their initials. Please let them know that if they've already completed a survey, they can, of course, continue to take this survey. The initials are just collected for deduplication purposes. The next section is a new component to the survey, the social network questions. This is an important piece for the respondent-driven sampling methodology. Young people will be asked to list how many people they've interacted with in the last 3 months that are also homeless and under the age of 25, so eligible to be taking the survey. The network size has no restrictions. However, the questions following are capped at 20. So if someone says they know more than 20 people, they will only be asked to provide information for the 20 people that they are closest to. Let them know that they won't have to provide any specific identifying information. Nicknames or initials will be fine. They'll be asked to provide this person's living situation and approximate age. Let them know that they don't really have to confirm this specifically. However, it should be their best guess. After the network questions are completed, you'll move on to the survey portion that has the questions that are required both by HUD or by LAHSA. Please go through all of these questions by following the instructions, reading the blue text out loud, using the gray and red text to guide you. Remember that someone could skip any question or decline a response. They can also exit the survey at any time by hitting Exit Survey. You'll see that it's indicated that this cannot be undone. So please confirm that they actually want to exit the survey but also reassure them that, of course, they can skip any question at any point going forward. You'll see that some question responses have numbers by the response. These are for sensitive questions. You can use the response cards that are at the readiness kits to assist people in answering these questions. You would pass the response card to the participant, read the responses, and ask them to indicate what number for their answer. The last set of questions are special questions. Some are designed to help us improve methodology in the future. For example, there are several questions about how the young person traveled to the hub site. How long did it take, and what was their mode of transportation? After that, you will provide the Visa card incentive. Please enter the unique 4-digit number that is on the sticker on the Visa card into this box. There is an optional question for young people to provide their number or email to be contacted for future survey opportunities. This is absolutely optional. And the last section is important. It is the referral coupons. The color should indicate whether or not the participant receives referral coupons. As a reminder, people that do not receive referral coupons are people over the age of 25, as well as people that are couch surfing or not technically had homeless and indicated that they don't know any other people that are homeless. The important thing here is that the survey will direct you on how to handle coupons. You will not have to memorize or keep track of who gets a coupon and who does not. You should just follow the instructions that appear within the survey. Follow the blue scripted text to describe the referral coupons and how the young person should be providing them to their peers. After the survey is complete, the screen will finish and you will press the next button, the purple next button at the bottom of the app. The next section will be in completing the RDS referral process. You will be asked to provide the participant's phone or email. This will be how the participant receives their referral bonus, i.e., when someone redeems the referral coupon that this person passes out. Unfortunately, these coupons can only be distributed digitally. If a participant doesn't have a phone or email that they could put down, please work with them to problem solve, possibly putting a case manager or someone else that could receive the coupon on their behalf. Finally, 3 unique QR codes will be generated. Follow the next video for printing instructions.